Vice President Kosandino Chiwenga's wife, Colonel Minyotabu Baloyi Chiwenga, has been robbed at her electronics shop in Sam Levy's village, Harare, with the mobile phones worth 13,420 stolen. 4 suspects have been arrested and most of the stolen items recovered. Sadabina mashuko anachona kuti aiwa amai VP aiwa Chiwenga vo robewa pangwa ine no subscribe like on the bell like timna mnamuba nyuko mchinzi. 4 men were arrested on Tuesday for allegedly breaking into a shop owned by Vice President Kosandino Chiwenga's wife, Minotabo Baloyi Chiwenga, at St. Levis village in Borodio, Harare. The suspects, Blessed Luciano Isaac Craig Chaza, Strive Matangira, and Succeed Mukaro, are accused of stealing mobile phones worth 13,420. They were arrested as CID detectives in Borodio on Wednesday. Police spokesperson Commissioner Paul Yati confirmed the arrest and said the suspects expected in court on Thursday, said Nyati. The suspects were arrested yesterday and most of the mobile phones have been recovered. They were arrested yesterday, Tuesday, after Succeed Mukaro 19 was found selling some of the stolen cell phones. The stolen cell phones were worth 13,420. Ndo mashuko anonzi panapa vanhu vane zvivindi vonoba amene kuti vaiziva here but vakavasingazivi kuti aiwa iyi shopi ndevakuru hazvikudi kutambirwa uko wakatambirako aiwa vanochohwa vanonyora vakomana raina ukuri kunokonzi vakomana vauya achiba mafoni ere mafoni aratidza kuti anga akawanda ari worth 13,420 asi mari yekutamba nayo votoonekwa vatopa vending vautotengesa these mobile phones. Mashoko anyasi kuchamisa panguva ine tiona kuti pane mapoor retentions nematensions ari kuitwa neruling party ZANU-PF this scandal yoitika zvayo. Ngotidza mafungiro enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndangomese kushema edu dzamafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.